In this tutorial, we will see that how you can connect Soundpad to Discord in just few steps. So let's dive right in. For the first step, open any of the browser and search for Soundpad download. Search for it and here you will get this official website. Click on that download button and here you will get this download page where if you scroll it down, you will see these two options for 64-bit or 32-bit. I am running 64-bit Windows, so I will click on that download button and simply save it. It will start downloading. After downloading this, you need to make sure that you are using updated version of Discord. So to update your Discord, you can simply open its official website and download the latest version of your Discord. Then simply open your downloads and open this Soundpad downloaded file. Click on next to install this and at last click on that install button. Click finish and then you need to open your Discord. After opening your Discord, click on that search and search for Soundpad. Open it. After opening this, click on that file button and open its preferences. From here, click on that device button and make sure the stereo mix is selected and then select its default playback device. Then open Discord and click on that user settings. Open voice and video and from input device you have to select stereo mix also. And you can see here we have selected stereo mix on both apps and that's it. So that's how you can connect Soundpad to Discord in just few steps.